Am I on camera? Mike Sansom. I am the Midwest Territory Sales Manager for Minnich Manufacturing. I started with Minnich in 2002, so this will be my 19th year. Typical day at Minnich for me is there is no typical day. I'm traveling quite a bit in normal times. I'm on the road some days in different states. You know, occasionally when I am in the office, I'm doing research or following up on quotes or making sure people have what they need. Favorite life experiences outside of my kids being born, obviously family and being married 26 years, 3 kids, obviously that tops the charts. Both of my daughters were very involved in softball from the time they were 6, 7 years old, playing travel ball all the way up till they were 18. And my son played football for a few years, and now he's big into golf. I keep throwing family around, but that is important. You know, that's top of the list, and I definitely, the outdoors, and I look forward to that fall time of the year. And
what's your favorite part about working in Minnich?
People. Either here or on the job or just dealing with people in general. That's kind of what I enjoy doing. I cover the Midwest region. That was wrong. Shit. I am the Northwest. I got it wrong again. Midwest. Damn it. Hi, I'm Mike Sansom. I am the, I cannot remember that. You're gonna edit that, right? I hope.